So there's a good question. What is the difference between an NDC unit and a HCPC code unit? So as I mentioned, CMS will create a HCPC code with a generic product name and billable unit strength. Those billable unit strengths are usually done in milligrams, so the amount of milligrams administered. However, the NDCs are typically submitted at various prices or various units of measure, like a liquid ml or an EA for one of those reconstituted solutions or tablets. The NDC units typically don't have the strength in them. So there's a correlation that's needed to take the number of milligrams at the HCPC code level and then translate it to the number of mLs or pricing units at the NDC level. Again, I just confused myself. So as you can see from here, the difference can lead to some confusion as it relates to the exact amount of drug being administered. Okay, so Jason, tell you what, why don't you mention how we currently crosswalk our NDCs and link them to the HCPC codes?
Absolutely, Chris. So as mentioned, there's basically a generic name description and strength on all of the HCPC code descriptions or CPTs. So what we do here as far as crosswalking is we're really assigning all of the NDC products to the most appropriate code for billing under the HCPC or CPT scheme. So all of the products that might be submitted on a potential claim billed with a HCPC or CPT code would be accounted for in that NDC crosswalk for that respective code. And the idea behind this really is to ensure proper coding, both on a provider submitting the claim and then also from a health plan or payer perspective, that they're validating that the NDC submitted matches the HCPC or CPT code that it was billed under, to make sure, again, that we have proper coding on the claim before we move into the discussion about how to actually reimburse the claims. The first step really is to validate that crosswalk and make sure that the coding is accurate for the drug and code utilized.